hate? Do you care what I say? Is it all just the same? Always make these mistakes. Ooh, baby, take me, let me. All I wanna do is please. Wanna spread like a disease. Ooh, crazy, tasty, baby. I just wanna feel you breathe. I just wanna feel you leave, yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. If you wanna stay, baby girl, don't go. Oh, look the other way. Nobody will know. Oh, if it's all the same. Call my place your home. Oh, I don't wanna chase, but don't want you to go. Oh, all I want is you. All you need is me. I know what to do. Only I can see me. Know I love you. I'm under the sheets. Do just what you do. Put me back to sleep. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. You took a fucking bad chick, put it on a mattress. Baby, she's a savage, but she lets me have it. Oh, we getting at it. Want a couple glasses, you could be my captive. Baby, be proactive, she looking so attractive. Just with the backless, we can make it happen. You could be the captain, I'll take you to the cabin. Penthouse mansion, and she used to acting, but I ain't casting. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress. She's feeling so lonely, everybody owns me. Treated like a trophy, everybody's falling. She stays so low-key, they don't truly know me. She just wanna show me, take it real slowly. She working long hours, taking long showers, chasing down downers over the counter. She cashing in vouchers, screaming out louder. No one around her, surprised I even found her. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage. Yeah. Oh yeah, I woke up on my mattress next to a savage.
There's gonna be a lot more drifting, but I've gone through a bunch of batteries. I've gotten a bunch of footage. I'm thirsty and I'm running out of water. I'm hungry and I'm running out of food.
Everyone knows there is never home, so this is about where everyone goes.
that is the end of the day for me. I just need somebody to move his hot rod out of the way so I can drive out of here. It's the end of spring break bash for us. I had a good time, like always. Met up with a bunch of people that I always chase, but I never actually see them in person. That was cool. Now, I'm gonna go home and wipe off all this dirt and dust and tire and everything else. It was totally worth it. This is Flyday FPV. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe.